Okay, what's for dinner, you ask? What's for dinner? We're going to have something keto, and it's going to be yummy, I think. I'm going to try to stay out of the picture. This is going to be a face-free one, a no face. I know I got a beautiful face, but let's keep my face out of this place. Get your place out of the face, and here we go. We're going to ignite, hopefully not ourselves, and we're going to move this around first. This little butter. Can you see it moving around a little bit like magic, huh? Why is it moving? Because it's hot on the backside. So we're going to move it around. What you're seeing out there is I did cook some hot dogs earlier, and it's just the melted butter and grease from on there. I did cut these up, and these are Hebrew Nationals, one of the better hot dogs for you. Hot dogs, no matter what you do, you can have an all beef hot dog or whatever kind of hot dog, a chicken hot dog, a combination meat hot dog. One thing that's going to probably happen in that hot dog is it's going to be, it's going to have a lot of processed food, a lot of preservatives and that kind of stuff. So if you're not really supposed to eat on a regular basis, I do eat too much of this kind of stuff. I don't eat a lot of bologna, which I do like bologna. I always like to have a bologna sandwich with a yellow mustard and white bread. That's really yummy. We're going to make these into quesadillas. We'll get those moving. I'll show you what we're going to use. We're going to use the rest of this cheese right here. And we're going to use some of this. We used some of this before on the last couple of things we've cooked because we're running low on that. The hot dogs, I told you what they were. And the tortillas, I just took them out of the bag. I'll show you. Here, there are lower carb tortillas you can get than this, but these are pretty low. They are keto certified. And let's see here, 0 sugar, a high fiber. How about protein? I'm not sure what protein is this. Let's look on the back. Protein 10 grams. So let's see what the net carbs will be. We have 32 grams of carbs minus the 28. It's 4 net grams of carbs. Calorie wise, if you're watching calories, 110. We'll use 2 of these, 2 tortillas. 2 tortillas. This will be about probably maybe 10 net grams. And maybe a little bit less. We'll get these guys done. Remember, hot dogs are already cooked, so you don't really have to even cook them. I don't know if you were a kid and you used to eat them fresh out of the bag. We never really did that. We always made them with mustard and relish, or just mustard when you're a little kid, or first probably nothing, right? Then mustard and relish, and then when you get a little bit older, you'd eat different things on that. So with this, we're not going to have any mustard or that kind of stuff because this is more of a, what is a quesadilla. Maybe it's like a cheese dog, more of a cheese dog. And I'll put this over, I'll put all 4 of these here. Now let's get a little container. I'll get a little plate for that. This is clean. I'll put the cooked hot dogs on there. Is this on? I don't know if that helps or not. But we're just going to move it around. One thing when you do cut the hot dog like this, you're not cooking the inside portion. You could put them like this if you want to, I guess, and cook them all the way through. But you don't do that with a hot dog in its, its whole side, whole whatever. Now we are going to make these, then we're going to cook them in the quesadilla. So we don't want to get them to be too well done because then they're already cooked to begin with. Then you get them going with this, and then you cook them as a quesadilla. They can be inside the tortilla with the cheese. So take all this out, and then we're gonna make these 2 decker. You could make this as a 1 tortilla fold over, so that would be half the calories. So that'd be of what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is gonna be about 220 calories for the tortillas, and we got the calories for this and the cheese. I'm not really sure the total, but I would say it's what we're doing today. It's probably about 10 grams of carbs because we are using 2 tortillas. Now you could just use 1 tortilla and fold it over. this cheese right here is probably on its last leg. The cheese has legs. So it's about ready to go. I'll put a little bit of both. It says choose the kind of cheese. This has a mozzarella and a cheddar blend, and the other one below it is just a shredded medium cheddar. So do that. Once it starts melting, we're gonna. Well, we can put them on now. We can actually put the hot dogs on now. Do we need to cook another hot dog? That's enough hot dogs, I guess. The hot dogs do have a little bit of heat to the touch. I don't have my feelings in my hands. Probably not as quite as sensitive as some people, because I used to work in the restaurant industry, and boy, did I ever burn my fingertips? Why, yes, I did. Many times. many times. Put a little bit more. There, so it sticks together. So right now it's kind of like a lumpy quesadilla. After I make one, I'll go and just turn it off. The second one I'm gonna make, I'm gonna add some onion to it. See, that's me for mine. I don't have very much onion. I had that left over from when I made a couple of hot dogs the other day. I made a little bit too much onion, even for me, and I do love onion. So I'll get this going, and hopefully it'll stick. Right now, when you put bumpy stuff in there, some of it doesn't stick too well. So when you do the turn, then you can lose some of the cheese, which is okay. We got plenty of cheese, but we don't want to lose it to where we don't use it at all. Let me get some water. It's been raining and kind of cold the last couple of days, so I haven't drank as much water as I usually do. And I felt like I'm a little bit dehydrated. We just did a video about circulation. I was covering the fact that this will be out after that video. This is the importance of circulation. Also, is to drink water. Our blood depends on what percentage or how we're going to do the math. Plasma and platelets part of the blood has a certain amount of water, and then just the regular, what we see as blood, what we call blood, the stuff that comes out when we skin our knees, right? That is another thing. So it's about 51% on average, if you average up all the numbers that they give you to determine how much water is in our blood. It's about 51%, they say. So one thing with circulation, you want to circulate blood. And if you make the blood, they give you blood thinners to do that, I guess, warfarin and all that. But it also helps to get your blood going. Let's see. Okay, that didn't do bad. One hot dog tried to escape. It will not escape. So now on this side you can kind of peek, but just kind of got to guess how long to cook the next side. And this side, since the cheese and everything's already melted, you may not want to do it too long. You could just pick this up and eat it like a kind of like a pie. Put one hand here and one hand here. Or was that 6 and 3 and 6 or 2 and 10 or whatever it is when you drive your automobile? And here we go. Take a look. Yeah, the second side doesn't have as much butter, so it can burn pretty quick. So we have to be careful with that. And you can use other meats, of course. You can use you can do one with the chicken, like maybe a chicken and cheese, a keto chicken and cheese melt or something like that. You can do whatever you want on this. You can put taco meat if you have some leftover taco meat. Yeah, this is kind of, because it's like kind of, some of these ones are kind of like what to do with leftovers. Yeah, we don't want the hot dogs to go bad. They do go bad. We don't want the tortillas to go bad. They go bad. We don't want anything to go bad. We want to eat everything we buy, especially food prices are expensive. they say food prices are going down some, which is good. And it also depends on what you get, where you get it. Where do you shop? Do you shop at, if you shop at Whole Foods, or what's that one, Etawan or whatever it's called, the one that has like the $24 strawberry or whatever that was. They have like loaves of bread in there that are like $16. So you want to make sure if you're gonna buy that, you definitely use it all, right? Very, very expensive. But here's what it looks like. Basically it's a two-decker quesadilla with some hot dogs in there. I think maybe I'll call this it depends on the algorithm will sometimes, the AI will sometimes try to change my titles, and then I think, do I like that title better than my title? Yeah, I guess I'll go with theirs. But I'm thinking about calling something like the Keto Cheesy Dog Dinner or something like that, or Cheesy Dog Dinner Keto style, keto, homemade keto, something like that. I don't know. But it's all done. This is what it looks like. It's going to be yummy. I believe it will. Don't forget to please like it. Hey, like it. Please share it. Here, everyone, have some video. And please make your comments down below. Please like it. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Have a great afternoon, great evening, great morning, whatever this is. This should be out. I guess I'll have this out. I'm not really sure. Maybe on Monday. Today is now Thursday night. Take care.